Before the rain, there was one summer. The heir of rap, Elmo Magalona, as Giel.
Tinatrap mo ako dito dahil iniisip mo na tatanggapin pa rin kita. Hindi mangyayari yun. Dahil para sa akin, matagal ang patay ng tatay ko! Ano?
The pop sweetheart and multimedia sensation, Julie Ann San Jose, as Beto.
Bakit di mo na lang sabihin kay Tito Berting? Di mo nga alam kung paano ka makakapag-enroll eh. Saka ako na lang sasabihin pag nagawa ko na ng paraan.
Joined by a powerhouse cast in a film by Mac Alejandre in one season that brought them together. In one season they will never forget till forever. Just one summer.
Everything's in place. I've waited so long, can't make no mistake. All I am, reaching out to you. Can't be scared, gotta make a move. While we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go.
It's a beautiful day now, to wake now. As I close my eyes and pray, Lord, I can see your name. You know I'm feeling kind of lonely. Could you be, would you be my one and only?
Took the train on the station, I almost lost my patience as I was waiting. Damn rain delayed the train, and I'm waiting in vain to see your face. Is this the one that I'm supposed to be afraid of? Is this the one that I'm supposed to be ashamed of? How does a rock not soft like Play-Doh? Every time I hear this song playing on the radio, in my dreams you are so real, or so it seems. Inside my head, a giant screen plays every scene. So you see, I feel you every time I go to sleep. All it takes is a matter of time to tell the truth when you feel that sunshine. Let the rivers run away, 'cause it's a beautiful day now. It's the day now. And as I close my eyes and pray, Lord, have mercy on me. You know I'm feeling kind of lonely. Would you be, would you be, would you be, would you be
Thank you.
Ang sobrang nakakakilig na tandem na Julie Mo. Palakpakan po niyo.
Thank you so much sa lahat na nandito sa Legazpi na nanonood ng Party Pilipinas Big Time.
Yan. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. And speaking of congratulations, available na finally ang first album ni Julie.
Opo. So,
And
ito
it's
po,
out on
iniimbitahan-
YouTube.
Yes, it's under GMA Records po, entitled Julie Ann San Jose. So, guys, please do grab a copy of my album. It's available na po yan sa iTunes. Pwede na pong i-download yan,
And
digital.
a little something lang. Wala pang 1 week ang release ng album and all songs are in the top 50 of iTunes already.
Grabe naman.
Ibang klase.
At ito pa, ang single na kinanta niya kanina yung Enough, umakyat na agad sa top 6 ng international chart ng iTunes.
Wow.
At tinalo pa si Nicki Minaj at Christina Perry. What can you say, Julie? Talagang sobrang blessed ka, ha?
Nako, una-una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat po ng sumusuporta po sa akin and sa lahat po ng mga bumili. And sana po ay nagustuhan po ninyo. Grabe, nakakagulat lang talaga and sobrang tuwan-tuwa po ako. So maraming salamat po.
Plus the fact na lahat ng songs mo nasa top 50 na proves na iba talaga ang galing ng Pinoy, di ba?
Oo naman.
Kaya kailangan suportahan ng ating homegrown talent. And of course, malapit na rin mapanood finally ang movie ninyong dalawa, ang Just One Summer.
Yes, of course. Sa lahat po na nandito, sana po talaga panoorin nyo Just One Summer. Next week na po yan lalabas, August 15. Opo, kung gusto nyo po mapanood, ay eto po, iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat.
Yes po. And ang premiere naman po is on August 13. Sa Monday po yan.
SM Mega Mall, Cinema 9, 7 p.m. po yan.
So yung nakita niyong kilig dito, patikim pa lang yan, makikita sa
Wala,
movie. No?
wala
pa yun. Wala pa yun.
Sa kalahati niya, nako, may isa pang reason para mag-celebrate tayo dahil ang music video ng single ni Julie na I'll Be There ay umabot na sa 1 million views sa YouTube. Nako!
Yes!
At dahil dyan, ang director ng music video na si Direk Mark Reyes maglalabas maglalabas ka raw ng second version 2 ng video
Nako,
na yan at
kailangan abangan
i-upload yan ni Direk mamaya right after Party Pilipinas. Kaya nako, abangan nyo yan.
Sigurado 1 million din yan.
Malamang 1 million, 2 million pa yan.
Thank you so much sa
Thank you so
lahat
much,
ng
guys. Thank you
fans
po.
namin. Thank you
At
so
syempre,
much.
alam naman, ang Just One Summer next week na at syempre dito sa Party Pilipinas, patuloy pa rin kami sa pag-discover ng mga bagong talent tulad na lang ng Juliet Elmo and of course, perfect example, Miss Jeneline Mercado na someday alam namin ay magiging big time na rin, di ba?
Maaaring ikaw na ang susunod na big time. Maaaring kayo na ang mabigyan ng chance at big break. Katulad ng mga proteges, mamaya malalaman nyo kung paano sa pagbabalik ng Party Pilipinas Big Time!